How to turn on sleep mode on Facebook. Open Facebook application. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. Scroll down. Find the option for time management and tap on it. You can find the option for sleep mode. Tap on it. Toggle on the button right next to the option for sleep mode. Select the time by simply tapping on the time that is selected right now. You can select the time and days. Tap on the field of start time. Select the start time over here. Tap on the option end time. Select the end time. Check on the box right next to the days where you want to enable the sleep mode. Once you do that, tap on the option Save. Now the sleep mode has been turned on. Like this, you can turn on sleep mode on Facebook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.